delicious.
Hey, what's going on here? You guys know candy is not allowed in class. Now get back to work.
Okay, Professor.
Let's do a sneaking snacks challenge. Whoever sneaks more snacks past Professor wins.
Yeah, and whoever loses has to buy the cake for the other person.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'll just hang these chocolate ornaments all around the classroom. And Professor will never know that these are chocolate.
Huh? Lily's already here? I'll show her I can sneak candy too. I'll just hide my candy inside the stocking. Now I just need to hang it on the wall. Definitely win this round.
Yeah, right, in your dreams.
Huh? You guys already here? What's going on?
We wanted to decorate the classroom.
Yeah, because we were so excited.
Oh, well, it does look better. So to figure out this number, we just have to...
Perfect, she turned around.
Oh,
Time to eat. Chocolate!
Oh, Professor's right there.
And then, when you multiply these...
Oh, she's still not paying attention. Now's my chance.
Huh? What was that? Max!
Oh no, my candy.
Oh, how dare you sneak candy in my class?
Oh, sorry, Professor.
Clean this mess up right now. And when you're done, you're writing a math essay as your punishment.
Oh, man.
Max already got caught. I'm already one step closer to getting that cake.
Okay, you two, pay attention. This lesson's very important.
Okay, Professor. Hey, Lily, how'd you hide your candy for this round?
My candy is hidden in plain sight. See, Professor didn't even see it when I came in. See, I didn't even get caught.
Wow, that's really smart.
Where are you hiding your candy?
Oh, you just gave me an idea. To hide my candy, I just need a beanie. Now I just need to put the candy in the beanie. And now my candy is hidden.
Whoa!
Hey, what's with all the talking over there? Max, why are you wearing a beanie?
I just got cold, Professor.
Max, you know hats aren't allowed in this class. Take it off.
Oh, no.
Oh, again, Max? Get out of my classroom.
But Professor, Lily has candy too.
No, I don't.
Let me check your headband, Lily.
Here you go, Professor.
Huh? I don't see anything. Max, did you lie to me?
No, she had candy. She must have eaten it all.
That's enough, Max. Get out of my class.
Oh.